Well, the Lyft CEO has just announced that they are cutting rates for drivers. What a great day, great news to start off your day here. Well, if you're a Lyft driver, you're out of luck because your earnings are about to go way, way down. Now, it's not an overall or per hour cut, it's an actual cut for every ride you will be getting. Lyft announced that they are lowering the rate by 55 cents per ride. So every time you do a ride, you will get 55 cents lower than you have been for the past 6 months. Lyft introduced this fuel surcharge. If you remember when gas prices went up crazy, they introduced 55 cents per ride. Now, the fuel surcharge has ended. It says, we know fuel costs still matter to you. So what they did instead is they announced that you can now get cash back when you fill up gas with Lyft Direct. Now, I crunched the numbers, I pulled up Lyft, what is Lyft Direct? Basically, for standard, part-time, normal drivers, Lyft Direct offers you a 1% cash back on your gas when you fill up gas with the Lyft debit card. Now, how many people have the Lyft debit card? I know I sure as heck don't want to go out and apply for a Lyft debit card, okay? For all the part-time drivers, I don't think any of you guys are gonna go out and buy, get a Lyft debit card, but maybe I'm wrong. So, and definitely sign up for an app called Solo. If you're an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, a gig worker, they will guarantee that you do go out and make money. And now, for being our watcher, being our viewer, they're gonna send you $10 simply for signing up with our link down below and linking your gig account. It's totally free anywhere in the country. Sign up for Solo, get your $10. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts on Lyft lowering the rates. Bye now.